Welcome to maths class, children. In this class we are going to discuss one more reducible method problem. Already this type of problems we have completed in previous videos, 4 problems. So one more problem we are going to discuss. The given pair of equations are 2 power x plus 3 power y is equals to 17. It is equation 1. Next one is 2 power x plus 2 minus 3 power y plus 1 is equals to 5. 2 power x plus 2, it is in the formula form a power m plus n. A power m plus n equals to, we know that a power m into a power n. Like that we are going to write here 2 power x plus 2 equal to 2 power x into 2 square minus 3 power y into 3 power 1 is nothing but 3 only is equals to 5. 2 power x into 2 square equals to 4 minus 3 power y into 3 right as it is equals to 5. This is equation 2. In both equations, in first terms, what is the common? 2 power x is the common. We are going to take 2 power x equal to a. In both equations, in second terms, what is the common? 3 power y. 3 power y equals to, we are going to take b. Putting 2 power x equal to a and 3 power y equals to b in the equations 1 and 2. In equation 1, 2 power x equal to a plus 3 power y equals to b is equals to 17. Equation 3. In equation 2, we are going to substitute 2 power x equal to a and 3 power y equals to b. 2 power x equal to a into 4, 4a minus 3 power y equals to b into 3, 3b. 3b is equals to 5. It is equation 4. So these two are pair of linear equations in two variables a and b. By solving these two equations, we'll get the values of a and b. But we don't want the values of a and b. We need the values of x and y. The given equations are in variable x and y. That's why we have to find the values of x and y. After getting these a and b values, we can find the values of x and y. So these two pair of linear equations now we are going to solve by using substitution method or elimination method. In this case we are going to use elimination method. To follow the elimination method, we have to write equal the coefficients of b or coefficients of a. Here we are going to write coefficients of b. Here 3 is there, no? If we get here also 3, their coefficients will be same. That's why equation 3 we are going to multiply by 3. Then b, it become a 3b. Multiplying equation 3 by 3. 3 into a 3a plus 3 into b 3b is equals to 17 3 is a 51 is equals to fifth equation. See here equation 4 and equation 5, 3b 3b, and they are having different signs. Here minus is there, here plus is there. So by adding these two equations we can cancel these two b terms, a value will get. Adding equation 4 and 5. Equation 4 is 4a minus 3b is equals to 5. Equation 5, 3a plus 3b is equals to 51. Minus 3b plus 3b cancel, 4a plus 3a equal to 7a is equals to 56. A equals to 56 by 7 transfer to RHS side, it divides 56. 7 ones are 7 8s are 56. A equals to 8. So this A value substitute in equation 3 and 4 will get to the value of B. Substituting A equals to 8 in equation, which equation? Third equation we are going to take. A plus B, 8 plus B is equals to 17. B equals to 17 minus 8 is equals to 9. B equals to 9. When A equals to 8, this implies A equal to 2 power x. Substitute here. 2 power x is equals to 8. This implies 2 power x equals to 8 equals to, we can write exponential form 2 cube. Bases are equal now, so exponents also should be equal. Therefore x equal to 3. Next, when b equals to 9, this implies b equals to 3 power y. Substitute here. 3 power y is equals to 9, we can write exponential form 3 square. Bases are same now, so exponents should be equal. Y equals to 2. So finally we got x equal to 3, y equals to 3. X equal to 3, y equals to 2, y equals to 2, x equal to 3. Okay, so these answers correct or not, we will check here. Substitute in equation 1. 2 power x equal to 3 plus 3 power y equals to 2 is equals to 2 cube equals to 8 plus 3 square equal to 9. 8 plus 9 equal to 17. Okay, it is equal to RHS. So our answer which we got, they are correct. This is 2 children. Okay.